Well, I hope your work week got off to a good start. You know, it was a dry week for most of us last week. A little bit of rain, not a bad thing, although those of you trying to get that harvest in, it's certainly a hitch in the giddy up, to say the least. But for now, we do have showers moving through the FM area. And if you're planning on heading out to the big baseball game, I'm certain that this is going to have a little bit of an impact, but the good news is it's starting to exit. Here's a look at high temperatures that we've seen so far today. Notice the oranges confined to northern portions of Minnesota. You have been the cooler temperatures the last several days, but today the big winners in the low 70s there, thanks to the fact that the clouds and the rain took a little longer to get to your area. But make no mistake about it, a few showers are heading your way as well, while temperatures have cooled into the upper 50s now in Fargo and in Moorhead. The wind easterly at around 11 miles per hour. Here's a look at your temperatures now. We do have Valley City 57, a little cooler in Gwinner. You can see where the rain showers have moved out of, remaining cool in those areas. 60 right now in Devil's Lake. Temperatures still near that 70-degree mark near Badette, where you see the orange circle there. 61 for Detroit Lakes, and showers pushing in towards Fergus Falls as well. Here's the batch. It extends all the way from Kitson and Roseau counties straight down to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Rumbles of thunder heading towards St. Cloud this hour. All a part of this low pressure system, which is right now here in this little crook in the storm. Heaviest rain just north of the low pressure center. Scattered light showers of rain to moderate for a few in the far north. A few thunder strikes are not out of the question. But take a look at this. If you have hopes to head out to the Red Hawks game, well, these showers are just now clearing the FM area, so a chance to dry out now in the next few hours. But here, the rain swath much wider through Lakes Country, Grant County, Fergus Falls, Otter Tail County. You're going to have a chance at seeing some beneficial rainfall to replenish the Otter Tail River, hopefully, and some of the lake levels out there. Is not going to be several inches, but many in this area down south here have a chance at getting well over 1/4 of an inch because of this. This is called the rainfall rate, estimated by Doppler radar. Where you see the yellows here, a few isolated areas have rainfall rates close to 1/2 of an inch to an inch per hour. With a wide swath like that, it could rain for a solid hour in some of our southern counties. Good beneficial showers moving through Pennington County, now pressing north towards Thief River Falls, and up here towards the Red Lake area, we could use some moisture. Fosston, you are in exceptional drought, as is northern and eastern portions of Norman County, northeast of Ada. Some light showers there that'll mainly be a few hundredths to up to 2/10 of an inch, the way things are looking. Nationally, we're very quiet until you look down towards Houston. This is Tropical Storm Nicholas. You can see the center of circulation here, not too far from the Gulf Coast in central Texas. Flooding rains to the tune of 1 foot or more possible for us tonight. By the 7 o'clock hour, most of these showers will be exiting into parts of western Minnesota. Now, our model shows nothing up north. There's going to be rain showers. It'll just be lighter for you in northwest Minnesota, and our rain chances will rapidly decrease after 9 o'clock. And by midnight, most of us will have quieter weather. Chilly morning temperatures in the west. We'll have some mid-40s, maybe even a few of you down into the low 40s briefly, where it stays clearest longer. The rest of us, patchy fog, clouds east, and a pleasant morning. Decreasing clouds through the first half of the day. On your Tuesday, you will notice more of a northwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. So breezy, with temperatures in the afternoon that'll be near 70. Now that's a warm up for Fargo, but about the same for northwest Minnesota. Late clouds could yield a couple of sprinkles. The best chance of significant accumulations over 1/4 of an inch will be in the Southern Valley into Lakes Country as we go through the evening tonight. Tomorrow in Fargo, we'll have maybe a morning cloud or two, but those decrease rapidly. The wind increases a little bit, 10 to 20 miles per hour from the northwest, peaking in the low 70s. It looks like a cool but comfortable and quiet night here in the FM area. Hometown forecast snapshot, 4 o'clock as you're getting off of work and off of school. Low 70s for many, a few upper 60s out there. Increasing lake clouds. I can't rule out an isolated renegade sprinkle, but most of us will see conditions like this, albeit a little windier on the waters out there with those northerly winds. Leah, thanks for your Fergus Falls sunset shot. Now a planning forecast for the rest of the week. You see a lot of rain and thunder chances here. Mainly Wednesday will be windy, 75 degrees. We stay in those low to mid 70s on Thursday, but really unorganized and not widespread rain chances both Thursday and Friday. So don't count on rain those days. And in fact, we're going to build it up to some beautiful temperatures for the weekend, close to 80 degrees. Mike, I don't know if you've put away your sunglasses or flip-flops yet, but feel free to dig through the closets and see if you can find them, because it might be a weekend for those.
Well, no, that's going to be a nice task. If it's going to be that nice out, I can do that.
You can dig through the closets.
I can do that. Thanks.
Right, you bet.